Simple Inabraw, Dinengdeng, or Laswan. Cook in my shabby provincial kitchen. In this video, I'm going to show you which vegetables to combine and how to combine them to get the best flavors. Welcome to Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. It's where we grow and share. If you're offended by shabbiness, please look away now. For fun and learning, please stay.
Hello, things are difficult here. We're cooking a very simple dish. I mean difficult because the appliances, the lightings are not perfect. But this is easy. We'll be cooking what I call Dinengdeng. My region calls this Dinengdeng. I think the Ilonggos would call this laswa, but I'm going to show you a very special combination. And this is the purpose of this video. I'll be explaining and showing why this combination works. We need a flavoring which we call in my region Sangpao or Sahog. Fried fish or grilled fish works for this, but I prefer the fried fish. I'm going to show you the ingredients, the rest of the vegetables that we'll be using for this. Look, I have here a variety of vegetables. First, winged beans or palang in Ilocano. I'm going to add saluyot or shoot, Egyptian spinach. What combines with this shoot is the bean tops. Ugot tutom. And to sweeten the combination, I'll be using squash blossom. Sweet. Since I'm an Ilocano, we love bitter flavor. I'm going to add ampalaya. And for dinengdeng, although it's not widely practiced, it's good to add onions. I'm not going to slice it, and I'll just add it to the water. And notice that I'm using very minimum amount of water. I'm just going to boil that. And to infuse the stew, the water with the flavor, the fish flavor, I'm going to add it now. I'll use the head because it has the most flavor. It has the most bones, so it has the most flavor. Let's just boil that. It's warm. By the way, the most important flavoring for this is what we call the bagoong. Pangasinan bagoong. This differentiates it from the rest of the vegetable stews in the Philippines and possibly the world. The use of patis or this bagoong. It's not patis, it's bagoong. It is the product of my province. It's difficult to open. This properly and will seal. So I'm guaranteed it's not pampered. Yeah, and it has that strong taste, a strong smell, I should say. Just take this is guaranteed. Yeah. Let's just wait until this boils. It's now boiling, and to preserve the aesthetics of this fish, we can remove it from the stew or from the water. And at this point, I'm going to add the bagoong. Shake it first. Just let it boil. As you notice, it's now briskly boiling. Look. Which signals the addition of the vegetables that take longer to cook. The wing beans, and the ampalaya. Give them around 3 to 5 minutes to cook, depending on the flame, and then we add the rest. I'm sure at this point we can add the rest. Bean toppings, or bean tops, toppings, and the saluyot, or Egyptian spinach, or shoot. Yeah. Notice very minimal water. And now the most tender vegetable. And at this point, we can also re-add the fish. I'll cover it and let the residual heat do the rest. I'll turn it off and the heat can do the rest of the cooking. That's how easy our dish is.
I told you it was perfect. I love it, really. You can do the same. Thank you for joining me here today, and join me again as I bring you more about growing, cooking, and sharing. This is Romulo's Kitchen and Garden.